Hello and shalom. I'm Tagari, a prosthodontist from Tel Aviv, Israel. As experienced dentists and as prosthodontists, we are aware that we grow and are judged professionally on our ability to treat complex cases. Complex cases build our credibility in the eyes of our peers and the public, they boost our reputation, and we thrive on them professionally and personally. We are also aware that the cornerstone of a successful outcome is laid in the initial treatment planning phase, the formulation and the presentation of the treatment plan, and gaining the patient's consent for the proposed treatment plan. The conventional wisdom of formulating and presenting a treatment plan is a list. But lists have their shortcomings, and we'll point out just a few. For starters, they are cluttered, as they are only comprised of text, with no visual cue to hang on to or guide us. Even dividing the list into separate paragraphs and titles does not help much. Another shortcoming of lists is their lack of presentation or demonstration of the relationship between the items, such as comorbidity, synergism, cause and effect, or action and result, which highlights the major shortcoming of lists. Treatment plans are not spontaneous creations. They are the result of meticulous and intentional thinking process. This construction, the process of formulating a treatment plan, is comprised of weighting and dismissing different options and possibilities until we arrive at our chosen treatment plan and sequential therapeutic steps. This formulating phase is not enhanced but is hindered by the list format of the findings and problem list. As the list format does not propel us in any way to employ our creativity or problem-solving capabilities. Realizing the limitation of lists, we may ask ourselves, can we improve on our approach to treatment planning and execution? What if there was a better way to construct, present, and execute a treatment plan? So let me now suggest to you, let me introduce you to a new way of creating a treatment plan, a new way for the process of formulating treatment plans. The Visio Logic Treatment Plan Methodology. A modified workflow system adapted to the dental environment. A methodology for gathering and presenting our findings, defining the problems, and formulating the treatment plan and needed sequential steps in order to arrive at a successful outcome. Let us do away with the list format and present the same information in a workflow format. Notice that we still have the same 6 issues that we've had before. They are just presented differently. But now, have a look. Each issue is presented as a launch point, like a springboard, pushing us, driving us for a resolution. Each additional step we take clarifies our path, makes it easier to advance as logic and the specific issues at hand are funneling our thoughts, are driving us toward the correct steps needed for the successful resolution of each specific issue. The workflow format is an empowering format. It creates a visual clarity which helps us to propel us forward on each specific issue once it's defined and presented. The visual representation creates a logical framework for the formulation for the construction phase of the treatment planning. The improved visual organization helps complex processes by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Workflows can be adapted and modified to accommodate changes in the clinical scenario or re-evaluation decision points. All the above-mentioned points contribute to an efficient, streamlined process and outcome. Now, you may find it hard to believe that this seemingly naive, seemingly simplistic methodology or approach to fabricating and presenting of a treatment plan could be such a powerful tool, a game changer, one which is worth your time to study, to practice and to master, and wholeheartedly implement into your daily practice. So let me share with you a glimpse into the scientific evidence to back up this claim. This seemingly naive graphical representation is founded upon 3 distinct disciplines, each with a substantial body of scientific evidence supporting its principles and cognitive effectiveness. The 3 disciplines are the theory of constraint and its logical thinking process, visual thinking and our innate ability to think with our eyes, and the learned skill and ability to turn information into actions and problem-solving capabilities. Deriving its prowess from the combined strength and synergism of the three aforementioned disciplines, the Visio Logic treatment plan methodology is a powerful tool. It is a flexible and adaptable framework enabling the clinician to plan and respond to diverse clinical scenarios and needs. This methodology has the potential to revolutionize your approach to planning in general and treatment planning in particular. It's worth considering how this methodology can transform your practice. Join me for my presentation where I'll introduce you to the fundamentals of this methodology and you'll gain valuable insights into how it can enhance your professional proficiency. Thank you and see you there.